Hey everyone, welcome to Genie. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the Indiana Jones and the Great Circle failed to allocate video memory error. If this issue is preventing you from enjoying the game, follow these solutions carefully. Let's get started. 1. Update your graphics card driver. Click the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card, AMD or NVIDIA, and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select your graphics card and click Next. Let the process finish. Restart your computer, then try launching the game. 2. Perform a clean graphics driver installation for NVIDIA users. Go to the NVIDIA driver download page. Select your GPU model and operating system. Download the latest game-ready driver. Run the downloaded file and select Custom Installation during setup. Check the box for Perform a clean installation, then proceed. Restart your PC after the installation and try the game again. For AMD users, follow a similar process on the AMD drivers and support page. 3. Run the game on dedicated graphics. Type graphics settings in the Windows search bar and open it. Click Browse, navigate to the game's installation folder, and select the game's .exe file. Add it, then click on Options. Choose High Performance and select your dedicated GPU. Save the changes and relaunch the game. 4th, roll back your graphics driver, NVIDIA only. Visit the NVIDIA website and search for older driver versions like 5.6, 5.90, or 5.6, 6.03. Download and install it following the clean installation steps outlined above. Test if the game launches successfully. 5. Launch the game in safe mode. Open the game launcher. Click on Play and select Launch in safe mode. Try running the game again. 6. Delete the game's configuration file. Open File Explorer and navigate to C:users / your username / saved games / machine games / Great Circle / base. Locate the file named greatcircleconfig.local. Back up this file to your desktop if needed, then delete it. If the issue persists, delete the entire Machine Games folder. 7. Verify integrity of game files. Open your game launcher, Steam or another platform. Right-click on the game, select Properties, and go to the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once the process completes, try launching the game. 8. Increase virtual memory, page file size. Type View Advanced System Settings in the Windows search bar and open it. Go to the Advanced tab and click Settings under Performance. Switch to the Advanced tab again and click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size, then select the drive where the game is installed. Set initial size to 1.5 times total RAM and maximum size to 3 times total RAM. For example, with 16 gigabytes of RAM, initial size 24,576 megabytes, maximum size 49,152 megabytes. Click Set, then OK. Restart your PC. 9. Reinstall the game on a different drive. Uninstall the game and delete its folder from the installation directory. Restart your computer. Reinstall the game on a different SSD or hard drive, preferably the C:drive. 10. Update Windows. Go to Settings, then Windows Update and click Check for updates. Install any pending updates, restart your computer, and try the game again. One of these steps should help you resolve the failed to allocate video memory error. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Genie for more troubleshooting tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.